Welcome to my channel. This is Money Hoarders. You understand? My name is Tab Flames. I run a company called Drippin. This is my new channel, Money Hoarders. Let's get straight up into it. A subscriber asked me to make a video about LLCs and how you get an LLC, but more importantly, what you can do with an LLC, the pros and the cons. But y'all know I get straight to the point. That should be my middle name, straight to the point. You dig what I'm saying? I get straight to the point. All right, what is a LLC? A limited liability company. What do you need an LLC for? To run your own business legitly. Yes, you can survive without an LLC. But an LLC is for protection. That's the main thing it's for me. But before we get into the pros and the cons and what you can do with it, what you can't do with it, because it's a such thing as an S corporation as well. So I'm gonna break it down. Like I say on every video, I don't have a teleprompter. I'm not watching some YouTube video piggybacking off of it. I would never give y'all no sauce or no game that I ain't personally done myself. I am an LLC holder. I have it in the closet. I own a channel. I own a business called Drippin. It's a credit repair business. It's been running for 4 to 5 years. All right. So now that we know what a limited liability company is, you got to know the difference between an S corporation. But that's a whole new video for a whole nother day. You subscribers in the comment section, whatever you want game on, just ask me in the comment section and I will give it to you. All right. The first thing you need to do is pick your name. When you go to Duns and Bradstreet, when you go over there, whenever you type in the name, it's going to tell you whether it's taken by somebody or not. So be very original with your name. You understand? Like Global Drippin. I done it because I was dripping sauce, giving out sauce, but not just for one state, not just for the hood people, not just for the rich, globally. So Global Drippin, I typed that in, and it wasn't nobody that had that before. So don't get it misconstrued. If somebody don't pay their LLC, we'll get into that, or whatever, or however you want to put it, then the name do come back available if you need it. But professionals, they say you should put, like, for example, let's say the name of your business is JL Trucking. You should put JL Trucking LLC or JL Trucking Limited Liability. Like, let people know, like, boom, this is a LLC. Me, I'm like, I really don't care about all of that. Like, I'm not trying to sell nobody a fleet full of cars, or I'm not trying to board an airplane off my LLC. Who cares? So anyway, after you pick the name, you go to Duns and Bradstreet. People say pick the organization. Listen, if you want it done right, go to Dun and Bradstreet. It's just that simple. Just type it in. Then you get an EIN number and a DUNS number. What is that? That is like a social security number that's not you, but it's you. Don't get me wrong. It's owned by you, but you can't get in trouble. What do a lot of celebrities use it for? Like, let's use Bandman Kevo, for example. He's a billionaire. A millionaire, I meant. My bad. He ain't to the billions yet, but it seemed like he getting to it. You know what I'm saying? If he had everything in his name, he would pay millions in child support. You understand what I'm saying? But he only paid $5,000 a month, which he paid that for a dinner. You get what I'm saying? He throw that at the strip club. But he's paying himself. You can pay yourself. See, it looks like, let's say Bandman Kevo LLC was Bandman Kevo LLC. You can't get money or sue him and his social security number. You got to sue the company. Like, for example, with mines, which is Global Drippin. All right. If somebody had a problem or had a real lawsuit, they could sue my company, not me. I can have $1 million in my name. My company can be done made 2,000 all year. The only thing that they can see is that 2,000. That has nothing to do with me. You get what I'm saying? Which is vice versa. You feel what I'm saying? If the court coming after you and your real name is John Smith, then they not gonna go off of your LLC. You get what I'm saying? But y'all can understand what I'm saying properly is this. When somebody tried to sue me, they tried to sue me. It got threw out of court because it's not me. Just because you have my name, you have my information, my address, they can only go off of my LLC address. So this give you a good little knowledge. If you're planning on doing a little illegal business and not all the way legit and you trying to get in and get out, make the address of your business somewhere you will never be at. You people so crazy, you will make the address your home address or somewhere that you be going at night. No, yes, they are gonna validate the address and all that, but not like that. Just make sure it's somewhere that you can check the mail at, you guys. So it's simple. Number one, choose the name. When you choose a name and you see that it ain't your name, don't let it stop you if somebody done took it. That just means you just switch it up a little bit. If you want it to be JL Trucking, change it to JL Trucking LLC. It do not matter, you guys. All right, now if you pick the name, you got to pick the organization. It's plenty of people that give you an EIN and a DUNS number, but I'm telling you, it's like the Apple. Why would you buy a fake looking iPhone when you could go to the real thing? I'm sending y'all to Apple. We going past Verizon and AT&T and Metro PS. You get what I'm saying? But you could go to another secondary middleman if you want to. I'd rather skip them. You understand what I'm saying? So after you go to Duns and Broad Street or wherever you go, then you type in your name. You make sure it's available. It's a fee. Every county, every state, I would say, to be more accurate and direct, every state has a different fee. So mine was around $250 something. Now, y'all, it's a fee, but it's well worth it if you know what you're doing. If you're getting an LLC just to look cool, then good. Well, I hope you know every year you have to renew it. Renew it. That's the con about it. You feel me? You have to renew it. I done told you the pros, how you can juggle the system and you can't get caught up because it's like a business. Now, the biggest pro is no personal loans. Nah, not for your LLC. Instead of getting $50,000 personal loans and going off your personal credit, no, now you got business credit. You got to build that up. Now you can get 500,000 loans. Instead of getting 2 iPhones because you're a person, you a corporation. You can make it look like that you're getting hella people. You can start getting SBA loans, PPP loans. You can start getting all different type of benefits that you can't get as a person that you can get as a business. You understand? But if y'all want more of this, y'all know what to do. Spam the comment section, straight to the point. Too much game, or let me know. Let me know what video y'all want me to make. And if I done been through it and I personally done it myself, I'll make a video on it. Make sure you subscribe. Y'all run these subscribers up. Y'all watch the videos. Y'all follow the playlist. Y'all do all of that. Support the movement. On my channel, if you go to my homepage, I got my music videos. If y'all want a lot of financial knowledge, I'm trying to tell you, in my music, I give out a lot of game. You feel what I'm saying? You can hit me up on Instagram. Do whatever you have to do to contact me. I rock with all of y'all. Once you subscribe, you're family. You dig what I'm saying? So don't just be somebody that watch. Subscribe. Become family. I holla. Gang.